making things shine, understanding, shine a dull object. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: the meaning and usage of the phrase, shine a dull object. This phrase is not just about polishing something physical, it's a metaphor that enriches our communication. Let's explore how this simple phrase can add depth to your English conversations and writings. The phrase, shine a dull object, initially appears to be straightforward. To shine means to make something bright or reflect light, typically through polishing or cleaning. A dull object, on the other hand, refers to something that lacks brightness or luster. So, at its most basic, the phrase suggests improving the appearance of something that is not initially attractive or eye-catching by making it shine or reflect light. Moving beyond the literal interpretation, shine a dull object often finds its place in figurative language. Here, it symbolizes the act of improving or highlighting the qualities of something or someone that might seem ordinary, uninteresting, or underappreciated at first glance. This can apply to skills, ideas, or even people's potential. For example, a teacher might shine a dull object by recognizing and nurturing a student's hidden talents. In conversation, when used in everyday conversation, this phrase can express encouragement or the intention to reveal hidden value. Saying, "Let's shine this dull object," could mean taking on a project or challenge that seems unremarkable and transforming it into something remarkable. In professional settings, in a workplace or creative context, shine a dull object might be used to describe the process of refining a rough idea into a polished, final product. It emphasizes the value of effort and creativity in transforming something basic into something exceptional. Our team decided to shine this dull object, turning a neglected garden into a vibrant community space. She managed to shine a dull object with her presentation, making a seemingly boring topic interesting and engaging for everyone. Understanding and using the phrase, shine a dull object, enriches your English by adding a layer of depth to your conversations and writings. It's a beautiful reminder that with a bit of effort and vision, we can uncover and highlight the hidden beauty in the most unexpected places. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this exploration has illuminated something new for you. Keep shining, and see you in our next video.